Sakshiberadcoding YouTube channel. Today's lesson we will explore Python variables and data types, the building blocks of every program. Let's get started. What are variables? A variable is like a container where we store data. In Python, you don't need to declare a variable type. It figures it out automatically. Example code here, name equal to Sakshi, age assigned 25, print name, print age. Here we see output Sakshi 25. Variable naming rules. Variable names must start with letter or underscore, can contain numbers and are case sensitive. Here we can see examples. Python data types. Python has several data types. Let's see some example. Text assign hello world, its string. Integer data type num assigned 42. Float data type pi assigned 3.14. Boolean data type is Python easy assigned true. List data type fruits equal fruits assigned in square bracket apple, banana, cherry. In tuple data type coordinates assigned in round brackets 10, 20. Dictionary data type person assigned in curly braces name Sakshi, age 25. You can change a variable data types using conversion. Here see some examples. Now you know variables and data types in Python. In the next lesson we will learn about operators to perform action on variables. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.